Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Tecno Pova 5 Pro. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Tecno Pova 5 Pro and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno Pova 5 Pro settings section. After click over there, just scroll all the way down and you will find there something says system. After click over system, you will find there something say language and import. After click over language and import, you will find here languages. After click over there, if you decide to add new language, you need to click here other language and you will see there is a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this language and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this language in your default language? So we're going to click here apply language. Now you can see I had successfully changed my phone language. It successfully changed it to a new language. Even myself, I don't know this language name. Even I can't read it. But actually I make these changes. I want to share it to maybe by mistakenly your phone language has changed and you want to change it to English. So for that, how you can change it? We will use some trick to change our phone language to English. So for that, you need to set your mind that we need to follow up some icon to change the language. So first of all, you need to jump over all app sections. For example, you need to go all app section and then this is the setting icon we all know. So you have to click over on it. After click over on it, you need to scroll all the way down and this is the system. So you have to click this, the last one. After click over there, you need to click the first one and then you need to click again the first one. Here if you decide to set English, you can say I have English here, it's fine. If it is English there, you can just hold it and bring over there. If it is English not here, you can click here other language and obviously you will find here English language from here and you can easily set your phone language from any language to English. So in this simple way, you can easily change your phone language from other language to English. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.